Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to update Facebook account to newest version in 2024. So this is very easy. What you need to do is go to your, App Store or Play Store. I use Android, so I use the Play Store. So after here, what you want to do is search for your Facebook account, right? And if, as you can see here, it says installed. I'm not using Facebook Lite. It says install and it says open, right? So if I tap open, it's going to open my Facebook account. Now take note that for Android users and Apple users alike, especially the newer phones, your device will automatically update your apps, the apps that you have installed, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. As long as you have a connection or Wi-Fi or credits, you're going to be able to automatically update that. But if you want to see whether or not there's an update, just go what I just did. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Facebook. And as you can see, it says open. That means it is up to date. Now, if you feel like that your Facebook app is not up to date, what you want to do is go to your settings. This might vary from model to model or Android and iPhone, but just go to where your apps are at and go look for Facebook. There you go, and open Facebook via your app, and you're gonna see storage here. Tap on storage, and what you want to do is tap clear data and clear cache. After that, it is advisable to restart your phone. And what it's probably gonna that should do the trick. That should update your device. But if not, what you want to do is again force stop, right? As you can see, I can't uninstall because it's part of my phone. Force stop, do that again. That should work, but 99% of the time, your phone will definitely update your Facebook app automatically. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.